Spin, 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 spin. Bones. And dogs. Looking very happy and waiting and wanting. They smell the bones. Look at the size of the bones. Look at this. The bone is as big as this dog. There we go. Look at the size. He won't even be able to pick it up.
No, I think they should have it outside.
Yeah, okay. So say, come on, let's go. So he's got a bone. Look at the size of these puppies. Look at there's a bone. Sit, 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 sit. I'll give one to Mozza. Ready? Sit, sit.
Sit, Diddy. Sit.
And there we go. Go for it.
Diddy, here you go.
That one can. Mozza can move it. Go, Diddy. What are you gonna do with it?
Piss on him. Do you need me to flip it over? I should flip it over the other side. There you go.
It's just too big for him. Can you move it?
Nearly tipped over.
These are too big for you, isn't it? You're gonna be out there for months. And that'll take you about a week. So that's about it for today. Done. Vlog. Sweet. See, I'm doing a nothing much day because LMP, I joined a Facebook group called an LMP one about nothing much. I'm not doing nothing, I'm just doing nothing much. Anyway, see ya, bye. Remember Building 7. Spinny, spin, spin. What are you gonna do? Gonna eat it? You gonna eat it? Yeah.